Hello, welcome to Bird of the Day. Today, I'm looking for a black-billed magpie. A beautiful corvid known for their intelligence and large social groups. I set off to Kettle Lakes, starting my day with a pygmy nuthatch. I scoured the lower lake for the injured cormorant, but I was unable to find it. There had been snowfall just recently, and I can only hope that the bad weather pushed the bird further south along the river. I did find a small group of mallard ducks, and a signature call tipped me off to a new arrival. A pair of red-tailed hawks flew in, one a juvenile and one a full adult. The two surveyed the area, with the youngster screaming the whole time. I left them to their business and continued my walk. I briefly spotted an American tree sparrow and a pair of brave black-capped chickadees foraged near the water's edge. And I had the briefest look at a spotted towhee. And just when I thought I had run out of free time, a curious call grabbed my attention. A small group of black-billed magpies rolled in, and I got a few good shots to end the day.